Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Right now, Terra Classic coin, Terra Classic community are all losing faith on this coin. Yes, so many people are selling off their coins. They're selling off that Terra Classic LUNC coin. You know, this coin had been dropping in price, and even though just about a week ago we saw Binance burning over a billion coins of Terra Classic, and yet Luna is still dropping. And of course, you can see with the network upgrade, Binance have always supported Terra Classic. Not just Binance, even almost most exchanges that listed Terra Classic are all supporting, but nothing is happening. And this have actually resulted to Terra Classic dropping, Terra Classic losing a lot of what holders. Oh yes, Luna community, they are losing faith. And the way we see this, the way it's going right now, Luna might be dropping towards $380 million market cap before the end of this month. Already, they've lost a lot. So for me, I think that Luna, right now, no one can give you a perfect prediction for Terra Classic because anything can happen. Yes, no one can say Terra Classic right now is going to rise, is going to pump. There is no tangible project at hand that can help revive this coin. So there's nothing. The only thing there is that people are still trading, hoping to see that Luna will rise, Luna will pump. But just with recent drop in terms of Terra Classic holders, I mean, this is not looking good for Terra Classic because we might experience more drops. More people might be pulling out. More people might be selling out their Terra Classic. And if care is not taken, believe it, in the next 3 months, Luna might be dropping more than 50% market cap within the next few months to come, which is definitely not good for Terra Classic. And at that point, I don't think Luna can really hit back at where they are right now before the end of the year. Even by next year, it will still take Luna a lot of time because the trust will not be there. Okay, people have already trusted this Luna for the past 1 year and almost 2 months after the crash. People have really trusted this coin. People have been investing. People have been supporting the burning. But if anything that pushes people to start pulling out, it will be difficult for Terra Classic once again. Okay, so for me, let's just still hope and see how it goes. They are still ranked among the top 100, so there is still hope. That is for me, if you ask me, since they are still ranked among the top 100, they are number 82 crypto coins with the highest market cap. It's not easy to be ranked among the top 200, not to talk of about the top 100 crypto coins. So it's something worth achieved, something worth celebrated that they are still there. That the 82 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Please remember this on the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.